In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Quora Pixel. We'll start right in your web browser. Type Quora Ads into the search bar and open the official Quora advertising site. Once you're there, sign into your advertising account. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. We're heading straight to the place where tracking lives. Inside Ads Manager, look for the section labeled Pixels and Events. This is your control center for tracking page views and conversions. Open that section, then choose the option to set up a pixel. When you're prompted for how you want to install it, select Install manually. This tells Quora you'll place the tracking code directly on your website rather than using an integration. You'll see your base pixel code on the screen. This snippet is responsible for tracking page activity and must load on every page of your site. Click to copy it to your clipboard. Now switch to your website editor or code base and paste that base code inside the head section between the opening and closing head tags on every page. The easiest way to do this is to add it to a global header or theme file so it automatically appears across your entire site. After pasting, save and publish your changes. If your site uses caching or a content delivery network, clear or refresh the cache so the new code goes live. Head back to Ads Manager and click Next to continue. You'll now choose the specific event you want to track as a conversion. Common choices include purchase, generate lead, or add to cart. Pick the event that matches your primary goal so your campaigns can optimize toward the action that matters. Quora will display a shorter event pixel code for that action. This one is different from the base code and should only run when the desired action is completed. Paste this event code on the dedicated thank you or confirmation page people see after they finish the action, like after a successful checkout or after submitting a lead form. Placing it only on that confirmation page helps prevent false positives and keeps your reporting accurate. If your confirmation appears as a unique URL, that's the perfect place. If it's a message within the same page, make sure it only triggers after the action is truly completed. Once that's set, you're done. Give your site a moment to update, then visit a few pages to let the base pixel fire. When conversions start occurring, you'll see them populate in your Quora Ads reporting, helping you measure results and optimize with confidence.